how to hide address on Amazon wishlist. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can hide address on Amazon wishlist. So first of all, just open your Amazon account and log into your account. And after that, once you log into your account, just click on accounts and list at the top right corner. And after that, just go to your wish list under your account section. Just click on that, and here you will see your shopping list wish list. So in order to hide your address, you just have to click on this option called more right beside the send list to others, and just click on manage list. And here just make sure that under privacy your list is private. And after that, so this is the thing that you need to pay attention to: share my delivery address with sellers. So in order to hide your delivery address, you need this box to be unchecked. So this is how your delivery address will be hidden from the wish list that you are sharing. And after that, just click on save change. So this is how you will be able to hide your address on Amazon wishlist. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.